right, we're beginning our review video for section 7.4, so that's chapter 7, section 4. And as you're used to, we're starting with our learning target, and our learning target is to identify and draw three-dimensional figures. So let's do some definitions here. Geometric figures that lie within the same plane are called coplanar. Coplanar, they're in the same plane, coplanar. Parallel lines are lines that lie in the same plane that never cross or never intersect. They're said to be parallel. A solid is the three-dimensional figure formed by intersecting planes. A polyhedron is a solid with flat surfaces that are polygons. Polyhedron is a polygon, solid figure with polygons as its sides. An edge is the intersection of two faces of a three-dimensional figure. A face, any surface that forms a side or a base of a prism. And the vertex of a prism is the point where three or more planes intersect. Three or more planes intersect. There's a lot of definitions here, and you're going to need to know all of them as we go through these different sections. So you're going to want to get these down and spend some time studying them. A diagonal is a line segment whose endpoints are vertices that are neither adjacent nor on the same face. Adjacent nor on the same face. Skew lines are lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar are called skew lines. Lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar are called skew lines. So they don't cross because they don't lie in the same plane. A prism is a polyhedron with two parallel congruent faces called bases. Two bases, a top and a bottom, they're the same shape. A base in a power to the number is used as a factor in base 10 notation. That's actually the wrong definition here at this point. A base would be the top or the bottom of a prism. So this is incorrect. It is the top or the bottom of a prism. A pyramid, a polyhedron with one base that is a polygon and faces that are triangles. It's called a pyramid. Well, let's do a little bit of work here. Let's start with our first one. Name the plane that is parallel to G, K, Z. So G, K, and J, I'm sorry. So this plane, the top of that box is one plane. So name a plane that is parallel to that. Well, it would be the plane that makes up the bottom of that same box. The bottom of the box. So it would be LPN. Whoops. LPN. LPN. All right. Second one down here. Name a plane that is parallel to plane QUXT. So QUXT is actually the end of that box or the side panel of that box. So this side panel of the box would be the one that is parallel to that plane, the plane that is parallel. So it is the SRVW. SRVW. It's D down here. Those two things are parallel planes. Skew lines cannot intersect, so find a line segment that is skewed to JN. So here's JN. Never intersects, doesn't cross, and is not in the same plane. Is not in the same plane. Well, GL would be example of one. KP cannot be because it could be in the same plane. This plane. HM would be in the same plane. MN crosses. LM could work. Could also work. That's a skew line. GLLM. GH would also work. GH would work. That's quite a few examples. We'll just go on from there. Identify a segment that is skewed to X, XW. XW is right here. Something that would be skew, I'm just going to check the ones they give me. I'm going to check VW. No, those intersect, so that's not it. RV. RV looks like a possibility. We're going to keep checking. TS cannot, it doesn't cross, but it is coplanar. It's in the same plane. And TX to XW crosses right here, so it cannot be that one. The only one that's a possibility is letter B, line segment RV. Line segment RV. Identify two sets of points between which a diagonal can be drawn. If you look back to our definition of a diagonal is 2 points opposite on opposite planes. 2 opposite points on the plane. So GN would be one diagonal. Another diagonal would be HP. HP. Identify a set of points between which a diagonal can be drawn. Well, they give me some suggestions, S and Q. S to Q doesn't work because that would be in the same plane. So that one doesn't work. V and X. V and X, again, they're in the plane that makes up the bottom, so that can't work. Q and W. Q and W does look like it works. So we're going to check the last one, R and W. R and W is in the same plane of the end face of that box, so it can't be that one. It's got to be letter C, Q and W. Identify the solid, name the shapes of the faces, and then name the number of edges and vertices. Well, if I look at this, I think I can see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's an octagon. This is an octagon shape. It's got a base that's an octagon, and it's got a top that's an octagon. So it's got 2 sides that are octagons, and then it's got 8 sides that are rectangles. 8 rectangles. 2 octagons. And so that gives me a total of 10 faces. 10 different faces. 10 different sides. It also tells me if I start counting the number of edges here, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 across the bottom. That would give us 8 across the top. And if I count these, I'm going to do them in a different color here. 1 edge right there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 edges for where the rectangle is coming together. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24 edges. And if I start counting the vertex, switch colors. 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 across the top. 8 vertexes there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 across the bottom. That gives me 16 vertices. Right. Identify the solid. Name the number and shapes of the faces. Then name the number of edges and the vertices. Well, this is a triangle here. All right, so it's a triangular prism, so it's either going to be, I think it's going to be 8 because that's the only one that says it's a A. It's because it's the only one that says it has a triangular prism. It has 2 regular faces, 2 regular triangular faces. There's one here and one on the back side. It has 3 rectangular faces. Here, I'll highlight one of them. 1 rectangle there, 1 across the back, and 1 across that makes up the base. So that makes 3 rectangular faces. Let's look at the number of edges. There's 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6 across the back, 7, 8, and 9. So there's 9 edges, and the vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 6 vertexes. So it does check out that letter A is my correct answer. Identify the solid, name the number and shapes of the faces, then the number of edges and vertices. Well, this is a rectangle across the bottom. It is definitely a pyramid, so it is a rectangular pyramid. The sides here are triangles. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 4 triangles, 1 rectangle. So there are a total of 5 faces. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. And vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 vertexes. Identify the solid, name the number and shapes of the faces, and name the number of edges in the vertices. Well, if I look at this solid, it's a pentagon at the bottom. The base is a pentagon. All right, so I think it's a pentagonal pyramid. Kind of makes me think it's going to be number B here. The sides are triangles, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Okay, there's 1 pentagonal base, 5 regular triangles. Let's count edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 edges. And the vertexes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 up at the top for 6. So 6 vertexes. Letter B does definitely check out for me. All right, the plans for a hotel fireplace are shown below. Draw and label the top, front, and side views. All right. Try and get this all on the screen here. I'm going to look at the front side, and I'm going to say, all right, there's 1, 2, so I'm going to come in from 2. We'll start here. 1 in, 2. Then I go up 1, over 2, back down, and then over 2 more. That becomes my side going up, which I go up 1, 2, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 boxes. Come back in 1. And I'm going to go up for the chimney. It's 1, 2, 3 high. 1, 2, 3 high. Come across 2. 1, 2. Back down my 3. 1, 2, 3 boxes. And then carry out 1, 2, 3. One side, 1, 2, 3 boxes back. 1, 2, 3. And draw down to my beginning side point. So if I shaded all of this in, this would be my front view. Of course, not down into there. That would be the front view. All right, now I'm going to erase that. And I'm going to draw my side view. My side view, I'll start right over here, and I go 2 sides over. I'm going to move it up from the base a little bit. 1, 2 over, 1 up, 1 over, 1 back down, and 2 over, 1, 2. So I just went 1, 2, 1 up, 1 over, down. All right. That's what I've drawn so far along my baseline. And then I went 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 up. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 up from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 3 up. Come in 1. I'm in this one. Now I have to allow for this chimney space. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3 up. 1 over. 3 back down. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3 back to there. So if I shade that so you can see it a little bit better. This becomes my side view. Got a little carried away, went a little bit too high up there, but that becomes my side view. All right, erasing that and going to the top view. I'm gonna also clean up this drawing. The top view here is a rectangle that's not erased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go, we start up at the top here. I'm going to go 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete it. And from the top, I can't really see the chimney at all. So that shaded region becomes my top view. All right. Similar question here, but they've drawn it all out for us. So they're asking me to look at this drawing. And I notice if I'm looking at the front view, I go 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, too many. Well, that says side view. I need to look at top views here. Top views. 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking it's got to be this one because that's the only one that has the correct top view. But then let's look at the front view. I'm sorry, I just did this. I labeled that wrong. I just did the front view, which is 2 by 4. So it is this one that is the front view, and it's correct there. It's also, but that says top view. It's also correct right here. Now let's look at a side view. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 5 by 3, and then 1 that comes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3. But that says front view, so it's got to be this one up here, side view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Come back 4 and up 1. So this looks okay for a side view. This also looks okay for a side view. So I've narrowed it down to either A or D. But as we look at our top view, you can see our top view is really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not right. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 2. Answer A is the correct drawing from the different views. All right. And thank you.